Hey everybody, welcome to the Saw Shack, Tasmaniac Saw Shack. Look at that, Woodzilla. Oh yeah, it's a TazMan. It showed up, buddy. Here it is. Do a little unboxing today from Casterman. Let's see what kind of special prize is in this box. Not real sure how to get into it, so I'm just going to get in it. We're just going to cut it open as we go. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. I know my day just got better. That is for sure. There's one layer. All right. That's a nice way to pack them. Set that off to the side. Taz Family Axe Fall Air Dried 2020 to 2021. Kiln 2021 to the spring, from the spring. Wedge. Laminated palm swells. Finish 100% tung oil. Love you, brother. 131.22. Shagbark hickory. Heck yeah. Awesome. Alright. Yeah, so you can see it. Just bubble wrapped in that box. That is nice. Real nice. Oh boy, look at that dandy. Holy smokes. Nice job packing that, Casterman. Oh my. Oh, look at that. Oh my. Look at that. This is a different kind of an axe here. Look at that. Look at the wedge. Oh yeah, she's got a pretty decent splitting profile. And see that big, see that, I don't even know what you call it, the longer pawl on there? That's for banging wedges. I asked Casterman not to take off the mushroom for banging wedges. Purpose. Left it there. Look at that. Where are we at? Right there. Oh, look at that dandy. Oh, look at how she hangs on there. Laminated palm swell. Oh, that light's not doing it. There we go. That's a little better. Look. Our sunshine is bright today. Oh my goodness sakes, look at that dandy. Oh, nice work, Casterman. This is going to be a multi-purpose axe. Casterman Classic stamp brand. Oh yeah. This is a multi-purpose axe. This is going to be something that in certain wood this is the only axe I'll have to take to the woods for falling the tree, banging a wedge, and splitting. Right? Yeah. So speaking of that, let's go split some wood with it. It's got a different swing to it. Right? Got to hit it flatter. That's for sure. But this wood ain't, it's dry, but it's not super dry. Oh yeah. Look at that. Right through that knot. Just like that. Right through that knot. Through another knot. That's a smaller knot, but oh my God, this thing is a sweetheart. Man, that's a beautiful, that's what I want the length of every one of my axes. Oh, that is just sweet. Definitely a splitter. Definitely a splitter. Going across the grain. Look at this big old knot that's in there. Can you see that? Can you see that big knot? Look at that knot that runs this way. Look. See that big swell? Yeah, that big knot right there. We're going through it. I got faith. Look. 2 knots. 2 knots in that swell right there. See that? 1, 2. See that? Right through that knot. Let's go through it again. What do you say? Huh? What's up with that? There is nothing wrong with that axe right there. That is just a beautiful piece of work. Beautiful tool. I don't even know what else to say. I can't wait to get to the woods. I'm telling you, everybody. I'm telling you, I cannot wait. Oh, it's sure a nice day today. Nice. Oh gosh, Casterman, that's nice work. That is a beautiful tool. Beautiful tool. Let's get another piece of wood. This piece of wood's got knots in it too. Ice. You can see the knots. There's a knot. There's a knot. Knot. Let's split it. Split. Right beside that knot on the top. Like I said, it just takes it. It's got a different swing to it, different swing pattern. It's built different on the head, how it hangs on the handle. But that's what's going to make it nice for a dual purpose. You just got to realize what tool you grabbed that morning, and remember how it works. Like you know, an axe is kind of like the same way I treat my chainsaws, right? Different saws for different jobs, different types of wood, different size wood. You know, if I know I'm going to cut a tree that's 30 inches on the stump, I'm probably not going to grab something with a 24-inch bar. I'm not going to do that. There's nothing wrong with that. That's a beautiful tool. I love it. Keep rolling, everybody. I love y'all. Wow. She's a dandy, Casterman. That is a beautiful axe. Get some sunshine on that. Oh man, look at that dandy. Thanks, brother. This axe is this axe was an old axe of my dad's that I found in the shop, and it yeah, boy, it's a dandy. I know it's got a different shape to it and a different hang to it, but it's going to be multi-purpose. Oh yeah, this is going to drive wedges nice. Oh yeah. Oh man, it's a dandy. Awesome. Thanks again, Casterman. I appreciate it. That is nice work. That is beautiful work. That laminated palm swell, we're going to see if it hangs together, because we're going to use it. We are going to use this beauty, that's for sure. Oh, yeah, she's going to fit good. She's going to fit real good. Oh yeah, multi-purpose. Multi-purpose, for sure. All right, love y'all. Take care, be safe. TazMan is rolling. Look at it, don't stick. Comes right back out of the wood. Be kind. Another Casterman classic.